we have a guest. Her name is Anna. You're from
UK.
UK. Okay. So you came for osteopathic training.
Yes.
Okay. How you felt
Amazing.
meeting Dr. Rajnish Khan?
Oh, it was amazing.
Okay.
He manipulated my wrist in 3 seconds.
And how you felt?
Great, so far.
Now you are about to get adjusted.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
This is after the first of all, I checked the gross right cervical endpoint. Little bit stiffness. Are you getting pain?
Yes.
You know? Change your position, one position, face down. Stay on chin. Little bit problem here, like gap space is decrease. Are you getting pain?
On the lateral side.
You have a soreness, no?
Yeah, on the lateral side.
And everything is just I am manipulating the like city junction. Please. T1 and C shape. Take a deep breath, man. Breathe out. Just relax. Turn on the side. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Give it a blow. Like a thoracic spine, T3 and 5. Take a deep breath, breathe out. One side turn, little bit forward, little bit forward. Bottom left. Also slow. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Relax. Are you okay? Turn on the other side. A little bit forward. Elbow slow. Next. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Relax. One more. Slide on straight. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Just relax. Turn on the side. Give it a close. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Relax. Okay?
How you are feeling?
That would different. Like right is shorter than left. Yeah. Due to your pelvic. Give it a close. Take a deep breath. Out. Okay? Correct.
Just for 10 and
Yes. That's 10 days. For ankle joint. Eversion. plantar flexion and dorsiflexion. Like an easel. Side rotation by tibia and fibula. Loose, keep it up loose. Like a hips, right?
Can you feel the click?
This one probably. That's one.
This one, bro.
Sit here. Sit. Like a shoulder joint. Flexion. Yes. And wrist also. And finger. Wrist and elbows.
There is no problem. And we choose.
Neck rotation. Take a deep breath. Out. Like neck extension. Just walk for 1 minute.
Good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Amazing.
How you are feeling?
Little bit more night. Positioning back. Okay. Forward looking. Stay here and lean back. Okay. Lean back. Take a deep breath. Out. Yeah.
Wow.
Are you feeling good now?
That feels amazing. Like decompression, everything.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Namaste.
Namaste.